Hello students! In this video we will focus on the IP and the MAC address, since I feel like I haven't paid too much attention to them by now, and they are really important. We have mentioned them and we have learned that IP stands for Internet Protocol and MAC stands for Media Access Control, although I heard some people say Machine Access Control. Let's talk about MAC addresses first. We know that our network interface card holds the MAC address, and that it is unique, hard-coded, and permanent, although it is possible to spoof or mask them. Laptops usually have two network adapters, one for wired Ethernet connection and another one for wireless, so they have two MAC addresses. A MAC address looks like this, so 6 pairs of hexadecimal digits divided either with a hyphen or with a colon, meaning 48 binary digits. So when we send the data over the network, we send packets. On that packet we have IP addresses of the source and the destination computer, but we also have MAC addresses. IP addresses never change in one packet, but MAC addresses do. They mark the next destination of the packet. For example, if my packet goes from my computer, it gets my MAC address. When it gets to my router, it changes to the router's MAC address. Then it gets sent to my ISP and it gets their MAC address, and so on, until it reaches the end. The important address is the destination IP, because without it packets would be lost. Let's talk now about the IP addresses. Each computer, printer, cell phone, or other networkable device has one. We can divide IP addresses on local and public, and on static and dynamic. IP address looks like this. So 4 3-digit numbers in decimal numbering system, meaning 32 binary digits. They can go from value 0 to 255. Sometimes you will see a MAC and IP address in binary form, which is also a proper form, and we can easily convert them from hexadecimal and decimal to binary with converters we can find online if we do not know how to do them by ourselves. If your computer is connected to a router, that router will automatically assign a local IP address to your computer. Your local IP address is hidden from the outside world and it is used only inside your LAN. Public IP address is your IP outside your network. You can check your local IP by opening the command prompt and typing ipconfig, and your public IP by going to whatsmyipaddress.com. Regarding the static and dynamic IP addresses, we usually get dynamic IP address from our ISP. That means they change every once in a while, they refresh. If we need some static IP address, we can request it from the ISP. Static IP addresses are usually more expensive, and usually people who host websites or run file servers at their home, they need it. Okay guys, I hope you understand everything, and that's it for this video. Bye!